Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily delete your account permanently. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the user settings. Here in user settings, what are we going to do is we're going to go to account. We need to scroll down even lower than family center. So here we have family center. Right at the bottom, we have close your account. If you click delete account, you will not get this back. This is not disabling it. This is deleting it completely. You'll get rid of it. Every single DM, every single server, every single role, Nitro you had, files saved, and etc. It will be gone. So you need to think twice before removing your Discord account. If you remove it from obvious reasons, for example, somebody hacked it and you don't want it anymore, yes, you can delete it right here. But you want to make sure that you don't delete it by accident. So if you want to disable it, there's a button. It's not red, it has just a red text. But if the button is red, then you always know that it sounds dangerous, and in this case it is dangerous. So this is how you guys can delete your account. All you do is just enter the password here, and of course make sure that you transfer all the ownerships that you have on the servers. So the server is not mine, but if it was mine, I would have to give the owner to this guy right here. And that's basically it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.